Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I cook these delicious lamb chops. So let's not waste any more time, let's get right into it. So in my cast iron skillet, I'm going to heat some oil and saute my onions, bell peppers, and celery. I'm not going to be adding the garlic right now because I don't want it to burn, but I'm going to saute this until translucent, and once it's done, I'm going to remove it and set it aside. So now I'm just going to cut the pack open and get these lamb chops cut and cleaned. I am going to be rinsing them with some water. I was out of vinegar and lemons, otherwise I would be using that as well. And as I was cleaning them, I realized that they were not going to be enough for the whole family. So I did end up adding some loin lamb chops to the bowl. But once I'm done thoroughly cleaning the meat, I am going to season them, and I will have a list of all the seasonings that I use in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Alright y'all, so the next step, I'm going to be browning the lamb for about 5 minutes on each side. And you just want to make sure that they are nice and golden on both sides before you remove them from the skillet. I am using a cast iron skillet to do this, which is perfect. So I am going to be transferring this over to a deeper pot. I'm going to be using a deeper Dutch oven pot because we are going to be making a gravy with this, as you guys seen at the beginning of the video. And I like my gravy really dark, brown, and thick. So that's why it's important for me to get that golden brown color on each side of the meat, because it is going to contribute to the color of the gravy. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm now adding the lamb to a deeper pot. And I'm just going to be adding some garlic to it, as well as the onions, bell peppers, and celery that I sauteed earlier. And then I'm just going to give it a quick stir, add in my stock, put the top on, and cook it on medium to high heat for about 45 minutes. Alright guys, it is all done, and we ate it with some rice, some cornbread, and Brussels sprouts, and it was so full of flavor and so delicious. So if you guys do decide to cook this, you will not be disappointed, and I will have everything you need down below in the description box. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and I hope you guys have a blessed week.